make my brother something delicious with eggs. I just came up with a great idea. I need to crack a couple eggs into a bowl. And then we're gonna pour in some milk.
All right.
Now we're going to mix it all up. Woohoo! That's an amazing omelet mixture. Next, we're gonna put it in the oven and let it bake.
Okay.
Great! We can take it all out. Oh, it smells so good! Oh no! I totally forgot the omelet was in the oven! Oh, my hands are burning! Oh, I think it's better. Now, we need to put the omelet on a plate. And we can serve it to Alex. I'm an amazing chef. Perfect. Oh no! Ouch! It hurts so bad! My leg! Oh, my poor foot! I need to blow on it! Oh, Nancy, you're here! What are you doing? What is that? It looks weird. Give me that. It doesn't smell right either. Should I try this? Oh, I hope you're not trying to poison me. This is fun! It's like jelly! Let's try it! That's not bad! I like it a lot! Do you want to try it? Yes! I do! I'll have one bite. Hey! Alex! What did you do? That was not… Okay, that was funny. Now let's play. Here come the egg. Is that a chicken? Did I take your egg? I got an idea. I need a glove. Let's blow it up. Sorry, chicken. All right, let's put it on the glass and crack an egg into the mug. Perfect. Now I need a needle to make a hole. Whoa! Pouring everything into the pan in a pattern. Oh, it's so pretty. And these are real egg rolls. I gotta show Alex. Which one should I pull out? That's right, this one. This tower definitely won't collapse. Oh no! Alex, what is going on? Are you okay? I brought you some new goodies. Are you gonna try it? Hurry up!
Okay, here we go!
Oh, something interesting. Smells good and it's delicious. Wanna try it? Oh, I'm so good at this. It really is delicious. Wow, did I find a rare ostrich? Oh, there it is. It's so beautiful. Oh, I can't believe my eyes. Birdie. Whoa! There's a huge egg. This is gonna make something delicious. Let's open it. Whoa! There's a giant egg inside. Awesome. I'm gonna have to make this right away. This will help me. Oh! Oh, it's so hot! Well, I just have to wait a little while for the egg to cook itself. And while I'm waiting, I'm gonna chill a little bit. Wait, is it already done?
All right.
Woohoo! Then let's go to Alex. Brittany, you're so beautiful. I've been wanting to tell you for so long. What are you guys doing here? Ew! You better not kiss. You better kiss me. This is embarrassing, bud. Look, I brought you my new dish. Oh, I'll try it. Smells kind of weird and looks weird too. Yes! I guess I'll have to try it. Ew, that's gross! Oh no! This egg is so awesome! Oh, I'd rather have to smash it into the waffle iron. Perfect! Let's cover it and wait for it to cook. It's It's done! Now we need to put it on a plate and serve it to Alex. He'll love it for sure. And now, Alex is the best player! Oh! The Basketball World Cup! Alex! Ouch, that was painful! Am I going to get a bruise? What? Okay, let's forget about it. I brought you a new yummy treat. Oh, I was hungry. I'm gonna try it now. Yum. This is definitely 5 out of 5 stars. Hi, Fishy. Oh, you're swimming there. It's so cute. I can use you for an ordinary fish. Actually, we'll use you in cooking. You're great at separating the yolks from the whites. Well, let's get started. Cracking eggs and get to work. Whoa, you did great. Well, go back to the cheek. What's that fish doing here? Oh, it brought me some ink. Cool. I can color it black now. Awesome. Now, all that's left is to pour it all into the pan. Let's do this. And I have an owl-shaped mold. And yolks for eyes. This is so beautiful. Removing the mold, and there. Whoa! It's so cool to skateboard in the room! I dance! Catch me! Brother, my hands were full. I'll help you. Great.
Very much.
After falling down like that, you definitely need something tasty. Try it. Oh, are those eggs? Those eyes look funny and that's awesome! Sis, you're good. I need to come up with a new recipe. An egg? Oh, what's happening? Ooh, colored pencils. I got a great idea. I need to boil some eggs. Great, it's ready. Now we wrap the egg in the foil with the colored pencils. And we tie the whole thing up with rubber bands. Tight, tight, tight. Removing everything and look! We got eggs in the shape of flowers. How beautiful! Alex will love it. Oh, my favorite gum. It's so long. I'm going to eat you now. So good! And inflating a huge bubble. Oh, that's big! Hello? Alex! Where did this bubble come from? I need to get rid of it right away. Alex? How are you, little brother? I'm fine, except I'm covered in gum. Ooh.
What's the
What is that?
Oh, yes.
Flowers look weird. Do I have to eat it? Okay, let's see. Whoa! This is good! Cool! Granny left the iron unattended, which means it's going to be mine. I just have to make sure it's hot. Yep, perfect.
Oh, yes.
Let's take it into the kitchen. I need more eggs. Hello, king and queen of all eggs. I'm sorry, bud. I need to take your little one. Hello, little egg prince. We're gonna start cooking. I'll make you in the shape of a heart. Oh, yeah. Everyone is gonna know that I love my little brother. Some salt for the flavor, and let's go to Alex. Alex, I brought you something delicious. Wake up! Oh, he's been playing all the time. Yes! I'll do my best to make him wake up. Alex! Get up! Oh, my dish will be cold! He's a heavy sleeper. I can't take it anymore. Wait. Fingers? I can tickle him a little. Wake up, little brother. I did it! Oh, Nancy! Don't ever do that again! Okay, I'm gonna try this. Looks delicious. Ooh, it's yummy! Can I go back to sleep now? You do realize I can win, too. Oh, no! Oh! Wait! I'm going down! Nancy! Oh! I'm sorry I didn't catch you!
Oh my god.
That was painful. Nancy, my back hurts! I broke a chair, too! This is my favorite chair! How am I supposed to play now? I've already come up with a great idea. I'll make you a new chair. Don't worry. Well. I got a cool idea. I've used a lot of eggs. There must have been some egg liners in the trash. Let's check it out.
Oh.
Ooh. I definitely have it. Not only will I need a few dozen egg liners for my little brother's new chair, but I'll also need water with different paint. The chair is going to be so beautiful, bright and rainbow colored. Ooh, this is coming out so cool. It's perfect. Amazing.
Oh, yeah.
And something homemade. Look at this. I made it all myself. Uh-oh, it's heavy. I gotta go before I drop it.
Awesome. Let's go.
Brother, hi. I brought you a present. It's your new chair. A new chair? You made a chair for me? Oh, it's so soft and colorful. Ugh, let's put it to the test. I can actually sit in it. Cool, thanks, sis. Let's play. Oh yeah, that's better. Now we're gonna get some dye. This one is perfect. Throw in the egg, and it's time to turn off the lights. Let's check it out. Whoa, it's beautiful! Yeah, it's awesome! Uh-oh. I'm sorry, it was an accident! Are you thinking what I'm thinking? One color is cool, but all the colors of the rainbow are 100 times better. Oh yeah, that is a 5-star life hack, definitely! Okay, this time it's definitely gonna work.
I love you.
Oh yes, let's do this. Once and for all. Oh! There he is. All it takes is a kiss. And... what is going on? Brittany! Stop doing all this nonsense! Check out this cool live act! Let's try it, huh?
Okay.
Let's go! Yeah! Okay, this bottle is perfect. Oh, leave it to me. I'll get rid of the soda in no time. Great. Okay, the end. Bingo! Let's put the candle in and light it. This is the moment of truth. Nothing is happening. Okay, well, we've got plenty more candles. This doesn't make any sense. 3 candles. And... oh, it doesn't work. Barely 2 stars. Yay! Happy birthday to me! Woohoo! A present? Ooh, thank you so much! Oh, they're so loud! Boring. Whoa! Brittany! Look! There's a live hack we have to try! What do you think? Well, okay. We even have everything for it. Come on, hurry up. Here are the eggs, and here are our Bengal lights. Now we're gonna put the egg here. Let's light it up. Oh, the spark is going fast. What's gonna happen? Oh, let's see. Oh, it worked! Wow, Whoa! Pretty cool, huh?
Cool. Okay.
Do you want to try it? Brittany, come on! It looks pretty cool! Yeah. No, thanks. Well, the life hack is 5 stars. So, what's new on TikTok?
What?
Whoa! This is incredible! We just have to try this! Oh, yoga like this? Oh, it's kinda hard. Hey, Brittany! Did you fall asleep or something? Get up! It's time to check out some new life hacks. What do you think?
Okay.
Come on! Alright, let's get all the eggs out of the fridge. Oh, yeah! And this one here.
Yeah.
Now we need
No.
some weights. Whoa! Alex, you love to complicate things. Why do we need weights when we have me? Let's try this. Okay, first step. Wow, it worked! Hey! No, Alex, it's my turn. Oops. Oh. Yeah, that's fun. 5 stars. Alex, don't stop me from cooking. What is that? Interesting. Let's give it a try. This one should be perfect. Let's get down to business. Okay, putting all the eggs together. Like this. Now we need some vinegar.
Cool.
Ugh, it smells bad. Woo. Pouring out the whole bottle. Great. We'll just have to wait and see. I think it'll be ready soon. Yeah, a little more. Oh, it's taking so long. I'm falling asleep. Oh, finally! Oh, I think we got in.
Amen.
How fun! They've become so cool and squishy. I love squishies. We can play with this thing all day long. So much fun. Definitely 5 stars. A fight? That's fun. Whoa! Oh, I'm so tired. What? No way! That's such a cool life hack! Okay, sleep can wait. Brittany, I hope you're awake. Hey, wake up, sis.
Cool.
We got an emergency. Okay, if you want to sleep, I'll do this cool life hack myself. All I have to do is find the right things.
Oh no.
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 Oh, that'll work. I'll just... Oops! Huh? What's that noise? Robbers? Oh, you better stay back. I know Kung Fu. Who do we have here? Alex, what are you doing? All right, let's give it a try. Just be quiet. Let's go. Okay, let's stretch the tights. Grab an egg and let's go. Let's give our egg a real amusement park. That's hilarious. Oops. Sorry, bro. What's up? Oops. Well, we're about to find out. Just a little more patience, Brittany. The moment of truth. It has boiled. Let's blow on it and... let's open it. That's not quite right. No. Oh! Well, it's a little better, but still not right. What about this one?
Awesome.
Whoa! Not bad! 4 stars. Hey, Brittany, you want to see something really cool? Here, hold this. You're about to see it all. Let's add some pink paint here. And moving on. Yellow here, blue here. And let's not forget about the other colors. Now let's take a blank white canvas. And you're gonna check it out now. Bam! Ha! Alex, this is really fun. I can actually feel my stress going down. And my mood is elevated. A masterpiece. 5 stars. Out here. Where is the food? I got Pringles. Wow! I've never tasted so many chips in my life. Well, who is the first one? Come on, I can't wait. Wait. I know. We're gonna find this chip. It's so tiny. I need a magnifying glass. Oh. There we go. Let's taste it. Well, Alex, it's your turn. Hey, it's not really opening. Pringles! I'll beat you! Give up! Oh, goodness! It's a saw! Hooray! It worked! I'll catch all the chips with my mouth. Cool! Oh! My head! Oh, no! Hello? How funny is. But it's finally my turn. Here's one pack. Hey! Be careful!
Nom, nom, nom.
Yummy! What did I miss? Am I dreaming? Or is Brittany... Wow! This is good! Super delicious! Brittany! Better put on a helmet. It will help me. Or not. Where am I? Ouch! Oh, poor thing. You know, I have a plan. Let's break this tower. No! Not my Pringles tower! Whoa! This is bad. Oops. I have a marmalade eye. I got 10, and I'm very happy. Wow!
Awesome!
Oh my god.
It's time for a prank. Let's do this. Hey, Alex, look. Ah! Now it's in my mouth. So that's a marmalade joke. Well, you figured it out. I'll just eat it. Come on. Let's see. 10 fingers and 10 eyes. A coincidence? I don't think so. I came up with a cool way to eat it. It's so convenient. Nice. Oh. A marmalade eye is stuck in my throat. Whoa. Thanks, girls. Now it's my turn. Let's see. What a delicious thing! It's a blast! Oh, share it with us, please. Please? What? No way! I've only had one eye. Well, you're not lucky. Wait.
Okay.
Never. You got it.
What was that?
Oh, what's going on?
Oh my god.
Wait, I have so many Whoa, donuts!
Well, I'll try my delicious donut right now. I'll use a knife and a fork.
I have great manners.
Yummy.
I'm gonna stretch out my pleasure.
And the last one. Yum, 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 yum. Well, it was good.
Nancy, it's your turn. I have a great idea how to eat everything at once. I'm going to build a tower and make one big donut. Whoa! It looks like a cake. Guys, this is awesome. Such a great invention. Well, I'm done with my donut cake.
Wow. It's finally my turn. I'm so hungry, but I don't know how to eat it. You know, I'll build a tower too.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. What is Alex up to?
I'm going to need a ladder. I need to get right on top.
Hooray!
Wish me a pleasant appetite. The very sight of this tower makes my mouth water. It's amazing. Oh, what are you doing? Girls, stop! Everything is going to fall.
Oh my god. Oops. That was bad.
It's yummy.
You're funny. Hot pepper? It's good I have one. I have 10!
Mamma mia! I'll pass.
Oh no!
Nancy, you're the first one.
Why me? Well, okay. One pepper. It shouldn't be so scary. Oh no! I was wrong! I urgently need to wash it down!
Are you okay? Brittany, your turn.
Oh my god!
Oh no! Pinch me! I'm dreaming! How can I eat as many as 10 hot peppers?
There won't be a living place left on me.
I give up! I'm done! There's fire in my mouth! Oh, save me, friends!
Thank you, Alex.
What a relief!
Oh,
Let's go.
no.
No!
There's no way I can handle this mountain of peppers. Help me! Oh, this is incredibly scary. Oh no! Oh, I feel the fire! Oh! Oh, I don't think this water's gonna help me.
Holy moly!
It actually kinda did.
Oh!
Ugh. Ew, an egg?
I hope they're not raw. Yeah, it's scary to even think about it. I'm not starting.
Oh, me? No way. Alex, you go first. Ugh. Well, I only have one, so I agree.
Let's go!
Ugh, it's raw. Ugh, it's like snot in your mouth. Ah, poor fellow.
Come on!
How unlucky I am. Well, I need to pull myself together and master this.
Oh my.
Super technique will help me with this.
Holy moly!
Yeah!
Well, it was cool, I have to admit.
Oh, I'll drink these eggs through a straw. This is so terrible. And the aftertaste is the worst. Ew!
Do you really want me to eat all this?
No!
You gotta have to.
Oh.
How do I do this?